What's up guys, TANSAFTECH is here, and in this video I'm going to talk about a new leak regarding the iPhone 13 series. iPhone 12 is a few months away for the release, and still we don't know about the exact information about what the specification should be including inside the upcoming iPhone 12 series. But there is a new leak which is regarding the iPhone 13 model has been circulating online, and many rumors has been circulating regarding the camera bump and also the design of iPhone 13. Mockup, who is a blogger on Japanese website, and he has shared a mock-up design for the upcoming iPhone 13 model, and according to him the upcoming iPhone 13 model will have a 5.4 inch of a screen size similar to iPhone 12, which has yet to be announced. So if we analyze that mock-up design, you will notice that the upcoming iPhone 13 is expected to come with a under display camera sensor, and all the sensors which are coming are going to be placed under the screen. Also, you will notice that if camera is going to be under screen, then we have a completely bezel-less screen of the iPhone, which is going to be amazing if that leaks are going to be true. There will be no notch and no camera distraction. So moving on towards the back side of the device, which he has shared the information, and according to that information we might see a 4 camera sensor on the back side of the base model of iPhone 13 series. According to the leakster, we might see a 4 cameras on a Twitter user who goes by the name of Fuge has posted and shared information about the camera sensor which we are expecting to come in iPhone 13 base model, and that camera sensor are going to be starting with a 64 megapixel of a main camera sensor, 40 megapixel of a telephoto lens with 3 times of optical zoom, and 40 megapixel is going to be the ultra wide camera, and there is going to be a fourth camera sensor LiDAR 4.0 scanner is also expected to come in iPhone 13. Since this leakster is a new leakster and we don't know about the credibility of that leak, so take these leaks as a pinch of salt. The mock-up result also shows us that we might see the USB-C port inside that particular device, and if rumors are to believe, that the one reason which I probably think about having this leak is to be true is the presence of European law, which has stated that every device manufacturer in the European market should be having the same charging port for all their devices. And since Apple is using the lightning port, that may be the reason that maybe we see our Type-C port inside the iPhone upcoming 13 series model. The mockup also shows us that the SIM position has been shifted, and that position has been shifted towards the downside of volume rocker and power button, and we may see a dedicated slots inside these particular devices. So it is clear that all the information should be taken with enough salt, as nothing is confirmed and Apple has a prototype in development well ahead of iPhone launch, but it is way too early to trust that iPhone 13 rumors, and Apple has plenty of time to change its mind before it has to finalize the design and specification for the iPhone 13 model. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, what you think about the upcoming iPhone 13. I'm pretty much excited about the iPhone 13 models if it is coming with a completely bezel-less position. Thanks for watching this video. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.